Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are learning SQL or preparing for interviews, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more such amazing SQL walkthroughs. Today's problem is all about filtering data using condition across rows. So let's start. We have been given a table called insurance. It has 5 columns. First one is PID, that is policy ID, and second one is TIV underscore 2015, that is the investment in 2015, and the third one is TIV underscore 2016, that is the investment in 2016, and then lat and long are given. That means this is the location of the policy holder. Okay, so our task here is to find the total investment in 2016, that means TIV underscore 2016 for policy holders who meet two conditions. First one is their TIV underscore 2015 value is same as one or more other policy holders. That means TIV underscore 2015 value should be same, and their location, that means lat and long, are different or unique. Here we have been given some values or tables. TIV underscore 2015 is same for 3 rows, that means policy ID 1, policy ID 3 and policy ID 4, but only policy ID 1 and 4 have different lat and long. Here as we can see that 10 and 10 and 10 and 10. Okay, but because 3 does not pass the condition, because 2 and 3 have same lat and long, we do not take this condition. And then our TIV underscore 2016 will be 5 plus 40, that means total is 45. So that is it. And now let's write the query. So we will select TIV underscore 2015 from, first of all we will group TIV underscore 2015 and find the duplicates. So to do that we will select TIV underscore 2015 and we will group it by TIV underscore 2015 and having count greater than 1. By this query we can find out those TIV underscore 2015 values which are not unique, like either there are 2 pairs of that or 3 pairs of that. And then what we will do is that we will group it by lat and long to find the unique locations. Okay, so we will select lat comma long from insurance and group them by lat comma long, and we will do the same here for having count star greater than 1. Actually this filters the locations that are not shared, only policyholders at unique coordinates pass. And then we will join these both conditions and compute the final sum. Like first of all we will select round sum of TIV underscore 2016 and we will round it up to 2 decimals as TIV underscore 2016, and we will select it from insurance, and where, as we mentioned, that there is a condition on TIV underscore 2015 and lat and long. So what we will do is that we will put the condition TIV underscore 2015 is in this list. Okay, and then there is one more condition where like lat comma long are in this list. Okay, actually it should be unique. Done. Okay, so that is the condition, and that is our query. Let's check if it works or not. First of all, let me explain it. So this filters only those TIV underscore 2015 values which are not unique. Okay, and we are selecting here the lat and long combinations which are unique. Okay, and then we are selecting the sum of TIV underscore 2015 and then rounding up to 2 decimals. So that is our query, and let's try to run it and check if it works or not. And thank you for watching. See you in next video.